Shoes maker never
Yeah,
have a
man,
good
they
shoes.
are the raw, you know. The great inventor, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, we use a weed walker engine and transforming bicycle, you know.
Well, sometimes you have to turn things around because instead of me carry the walker have to carry me.
Yeah.
You understand? So that's the pre, eh?
Yeah. All right, you. Just guidance until, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
So,
man.
yo, my
Yeah, man.
peeps, be update to me, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man, I may upgrade the things. See,
Of
me. So, me no
course.
couldn't know what I'm going.
Yeah, keep
Yeah,
it
man.
going, you. Great inventor.
Ah.
Yeah, man. Right, the great inventor, you know. Yeah. Really, man. I'm about to do a 8-mile ride. Wait till the yard, you know. Yeah, man. You can know, man. Center, 9 man. Bob Marley place today, you know. Yeah, man. But him come from Green Hill, like 7 miles away. Yeah, man. Yeah, yeah. All right. You're not a strong, you know. Protection. Yeah. Normal, you know. Yeah, man. Whoa. Yeah, 9-mile vibration, you know. Bob Marley place today, you know. Yeah, man. Aye. Yeah, man. We're in 9-mile. Yeah, the King residence. Robert Nesta Marley residence, you know. Yeah, if you're wondering. There you are. This is where we are right now. Yeah, man. See? Rasta just want to make you prep on that great inventor, that great youth. But yes, of course, we're inspired. We have one of the greatest, you know what I mean, idol here. So we can't stop. Rasta.